Hello everybody and welcome to our screen tutorial for this week. This week I want to chat to you and share with you all about Linktree. It's a tool that we are using within our own online shop, and also it's something that I use personally. So what is Linktree? Linktree is the only link you'll ever need. Connect audiences to all of your content with just one link. You can actually get started for free, but we recommend purchasing the subscription for only $6 per month. It really is very, very affordable, and I'm going to show you what our Linktree looks like now. So here you have the home page for Linktree. You can use it anywhere. Take your Linktree wherever your audience is to help them to discover all your important content. It really is beautiful. You can create these landing pages with essentially one link to many links, and you can completely personalize it or bring in your corporate colors and branding, etc., into your Linktree account. And then obviously using the URL, you would add this to the bio for your Instagram account, for LinkedIn, for Facebook, for your WhatsApp for Business profile. You can even use it when you are responding to your customers on social media platforms and in WhatsApp. A link to everywhere. Linktree is the launch pad to your latest video, article, recipe, tour, store, website, social post, everywhere you are online. It's easily managed. Creating a Linktree takes seconds. Use our simple drag and drop editor to effortlessly manage your content. Safe, trusted, and private. Privacy is non-negotiable. Linktree doesn't track any personal data on your visitors, so your Linktree remains your place on the internet. Join the Linktree community. The world's biggest influencers, creators, publishers, and brands use Linktree in their marketing strategy. And here are a few of them: The Guardian, Gary Vee, LA Clippers, Alicia Keys, Red Bull, Farrell, Written Link, Comedy Central, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Qantas, and many, many more. They've also been featured in Digital Trends, Entrepreneur, Forbes, and Engadget. So what we're going to do now is quickly have a little look at the pricing. One link with a whole lot of power. Pick your plan. You can always change later. And you can also pay annually and save 17%, or you can pay monthly. This is the pro membership that we have. It's for $6. All the benefits are free, plus enhanced features to help you connect your online identity, amplify your brand, powerful integrations, power up your links with link scheduling, etc., and track which countries and cities your traffic is coming from. There's also a free link that you can sign up for, which you may want to use if you want to trial it. Are you a business or agency with many social handles? Talk to us about our enterprise plans. But I think for our customers, they will generally be looking at either the free plan or the pro plan. I am just wanting to log in so that I can show you the Linktree for our online shop, and you can get a feel for what it looks like. And off we go. So this is an account that I have set up for Celestial Gifts. There's still a lot that we can do in terms of making the appearance better, but generally speaking, it has been set up correctly. So we have links, appearance, settings, analytics, and we're able to do this from our desktop or very seamlessly from our cell phone as well. So I've just included the things that are the most important, obviously directing people to the online shop with the link, or the second option is independent customer reviews, so that people can go and have a look at our independent reviews. I see that's up by 26. All about the owner and the founder. If they're wanting to know who's behind the actual business, they can go and look at my personal website. They can go look at our blog, our YouTube channel, and also one of our unique selling points is that we are SATSA registered, so they can go and look for our licensing information about that. Then within appearance, you can pretty much change it to be anything that you want it to be. There's all these beautiful themes. You would insert your logo, a profile title, a very short bio. You can update with all of these themes, but I like to keep ours simple because it's for the business. Backgrounds, etc., etc. So if you enjoy the creative side of things, I think you'll have some fun here. And then obviously there are buttons, all the different buttons that you can think of, and fonts, etc., etc. Within settings, you could update your search engine optimization. You can also have an SMS sign up, an email sign up form, which is very nice if you want to be collecting email addresses or cell phone numbers. You can also have an e-commerce integration so that people can be paying you. Can you believe it? People can actually pay you via your Linktree account. And the SEO is also incredible. You can update the search engine optimization, analytics, and also your Facebook pixel within your Linktree account. So it really is all singing and all dancing, I would say. And what pretty much sold it to me is that all of the influencers and the high profile people and pages on Instagram and social media are definitely using Linktree. So that's pretty much what made me buy into this and set up a profile for ourselves. And here on this tab, you'll see all of the analytics as well, which is very, very impressive. And there's also bottom right hand corner, there's a little chat button. Their help desk is very, very helpful. Top right hand corner, they have another help desk button there with an exclamation or a question mark, should I say. I've used it before, and it's actually liaising with an FAQ bot. That is a frequently asked question bot. But down in the bottom right hand corner, there are other options for assistance as well. So that is it from me this week. But all in all, to say that Linktree is very affordable, very easy to set up. You can do it from your cell phone or your desktop, and it is definitely the way to go if you are looking to modernize your business. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you next week.